Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss diagrammatic representation of a partially ordered set. Hash diagram is the diagrammatic representation of a poset. So before understanding this one, first we will check covering relation. Suppose P is a poset and the relation partial order relation is defined in the set P in this way. Suppose X and Y, these are the elements of P. So we say Y is a cover of X if X is in partial order relation with Y and no Z exists, Z belongs to P. You can say Z belongs to P. No Z belongs to P exists such that X is in partial order relation with Y and Y is in partial order relation with Z. Now we try to understand this one. We say Y is a cover of X if X is in partial order relation with Y. Look at this. This is an ordering relation. It means order is also important. So whenever we write X is in partial order relation with Y, we also say X precedes Y, or you can say Y succeeds X. It means X is in lower level in a hierarchy. X is in lower level than Y and Y is in higher level than X. And look, Y is a cover of X means no Z exists between these two X and Y such that X is in partial order relation with Y and Y is in partial order relation with Z. So no Z should be there which satisfy this condition. Y as a number may be there between X and Y but should not satisfy this condition. I will give you one example. Suppose we have a set A equal to 2, 3 and suppose this 6 and say 12. Look at this set and the relation is suppose divides. Now look at this. 2 is not a cover of any element because no other element is given there which is less than 2. Is 3 is a cover of 2? No, 3 is not a cover of 2 because 2 does not divide 3. Now 6 is a cover of 2. So 6 is a cover of 2. Look at this, 3 is there between 2 and 6. But 2 does not divide 3. Means this condition. 2 divides 6 and 3 is there between 2 and 6. But this condition, X divides 3 does not satisfy. That's why 3 is not a cover of 2 as I already told you. 6 is a cover of 2. So 3 is between 2 and 6 but as a number only. So no use of 3 as a covering. So 6 is a cover of 2 and 6 is a cover of 3 also because 3 divides 6 and no number is there between 3 and 6. So you can write, if you write the elements of covering relation, then you can write 2, 6 because 6 is a cover of 2 and similarly you can write 6 is a cover of 3. Further you see 12 is a cover of 6. So you can write 6 is a cover of 12. So in this way we can write the elements of a covering relation. So to draw the hash diagram, we have to first find the elements of this covering relation. It is not necessary to write the elements of covering relation. If you can understand without writing these ordered pairs, then you can draw the hash diagram without writing this covering relation. So to draw the hash diagram, what we do, for all these elements we use vertices like dots and we have to show these ordered pairs as hierarchy. It means we have to show that 2 is somewhere in lower level and 6 is somewhere in higher level and there is a covering relation between 2 and 6. To show this covering relation, we use an edge between 2 and 6. So we'll take one example. Look at this. Consider a partial order relation on X defined as X is in partial order relation with Y if X divides Y. So we have to draw the hash diagram. So again look at this 2, 3, 6. So if you find the covers of these elements, 2 is not a cover of any element. Similarly 3 is not a cover of any element. So 2, 3, these two elements are in the lowest level of hierarchy. So use the dots or vertices to denote these 2 points 2 and 3. Now look at this. 6 is a cover of 2 as well as 6 is a cover of 3. So you can write 6, and to show this covering relation, use an as between 2 6 and 3 6. You can also write this covering relation to if you are not getting this, you can write like 2 6 and 3 6. So 6 is a cover of 2 and 6 is a cover of 3. Similarly, if you write 12 is a cover of 6, so you can write 6 12. Look at this. 12 is not 18 is not a cover of 12 because 12 does not divide 18, but 18 is a cover of 6 also. So you can write 6 18 because 18 is a cover of 6. Now look at this 36. What about 36? Look at this. 18 divides 36 means, and no element is there between 18 and 36, so 36 is a cover of 18. Now check 12 also. 12 divide 36. 18 is there between 12 and 36, but 12 does not divide 18. It means 36 is the immediate successor of 12 also. So 36 is a cover of 12 as well as 36 is a cover of 18. So in this way you can write this covering relation. Now look at this. 2 3 2 6 3 6. Now 12 is a cover of 6, so write it 12, and 6 is a cover of 18 is a cover of 6 also, so you can write it 18. So cover of 6 are two elements, one is 12 and one is 18. Now look at this. 36 is a cover of 12 as well as 18, so you can write in this way. So 36 is a cover of 12 and 18 both. So you can draw this diagram in a better way. In this way you can write 2 3 and this is 6, and look at this, you can write it 12 and 18, and further you can write it 36. So in this way you can make this diagram in a better way. So this is the hash diagram of this set, and the relation is given as x divides y. Now look at this another example. Set is Px is a power set of x, and relation is contained in x equal to a b c. So first we have to write the power set x. So this set is phi a b c a comma b and a comma c and b comma c and finally a b c. So this is the power set x. Now the relation is contained in phi is the element in the lowest element in the hierarchy, so denote this by phi. Now find the sets which are the immediate successor of phi, means you can write a b c. Three sets are there. You can write phi is a subset of a b and c because these are the immediate successor of phi, so you can denote it by, you can write it this a and this is b and say this is c. So represent in this way a b c. So these are the covers. This set a is a cover of phi, b is a cover of phi, and c is also a cover of phi. Now look at this a b. This is a superset of this set and this set only. It means this is a cover of these two sets a and b. So here you can write it. This is a cover of a and b. So this is a comma b because this is the cover of a and b. Similarly ac. This is the cover of a and c. A and c. So use one vertex here, write it a comma c and join these two. So this is the cover of a and c. Now bc. This is the cover of b and c. So write it b comma c join these points. So this is BC. Now look at this finally ABC. This is a superset of all these sets. It means this is a cover of these three sets. So you can write here this is a cover of all these three sets. So you can join these. Yes. So this is the hash diagram of this Px and with the relation contained in.